Operation video of VX-Q32 smart lock. First, press email and enter the system according to the voice prompts, and enter the initial password 123456. Press E to add an administrator. Press E to add the administrator's fingerprint. Enter the fingerprint in sequence according to the prompts. Do this 5 times in total. Press R to add an administrator's card. Press 3 to add an administrator password. The password should be 6 digits long. Press 4 to add an administrator's face recognition data. Press the key to return to the previous menu. Press the key to return to the previous menu. Press E to add a user's fingerprint. Enter the fingerprint sequentially according to the prompts. Do this 5 times in total. Press R to add a user's card. Press 3 to add a user password. The password should be 6 digits in length. Press to add a user's face data. Press to return to the upper level menu. Press R to delete information. Press E to delete information by group. Press R to delete all cards. Press 3 for system settings. Press to delete all face data. Press R to delete information by number. Press 3 for system settings. Press E for motor settings. Press R for time settings. Press 3 for language settings. Press 4 for volume settings. Press 5 to enter unlocking mode. Press 6 for motion detection. Press 7 for network settings. Press 8 for anti-UPI settings. Press 9 to restore factory settings. Press to conduct record inquiries. Select R to search forward. Select B to search backward. Network connection tutorial.